Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the interesting day today. Price all over the place, and this was occurring on well above average volume. But the chart right now is looking pretty shaky. I'm not going to say that the entire chart's destroyed because that wouldn't be fair. But yeah, I mean, to think where the price was and then where it ultimately, closed, that was a pretty big pullback. And really going for the level, for this reason, with the chart being pretty shaky, that I would definitely consider a must-hold level is down there at 87 cents. Why is 87 so important? Well, I'm not saying this will occur, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to 87 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price quite literally right back to where it was inside of that range of the chart that it just broke out of today. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power or true strength. Whereas on the flip side, if the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, and then start to work its way back upwards, well, now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, at least at that point, you now have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And once again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 87 cents. So like I said, very important level because that is quite literally determining whether or not the price is showing strength via making progress or if the price is literally going right back to where it was. Now, what about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are at, key level to watch going forward, going to be right up there at the dollar mark. So dollar mark going to be public enemy number one to watch going into Friday. But all in all, like I said, nice volume. Chart's looking shaky, but the chart, to be fair, like I said, does still have the opportunity to build a higher base. So let's see if the price can do that or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.